Engine's gotta come out.
Oh my god.
That's
After examining the car, we decided that we had to take apart the engine, and we actually decided to take out the engine so it's easier for us to take it apart. And we took off the top end while the engine was still in the car. Then we took off the bottom end after the engine was out, and everything looked good. The rod bearings looked good, crank looked good. We did crank up, so we took off the oil pan, we cleaned everything out. We bought all new stuff for the engine, the gaskets and some bolts, and the only thing that was damaged was the top end, the intake cam. So we bought a new intake cam, pretty low miles with caps, because the caps were scored too. And luckily the head was all good. So we just put on the new cam, put new bolts, head bolts in, and we installed everything back on. We bought new turbos because one of the turbos was seized, which is what we saw when we did the examination of the engine when the car first came. And we put everything back together and we put the engine back in the car. And you guys will see at the end of this video, the first startup, everything does sound pretty good and everything was done pretty much professionally. We had a lot of phone calls to the dealership, so for torque specs and everything. So this engine was done properly, so there should be no issues in the future.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.
It's a lot.
sounds pretty good. Okay.
Since the wheels on the M4 were damaged, the OEM ones, I had bought some BBSs, and I also bought an exhaust, the Eco-Length mid-pipe to a single exit, and it sounds really good. I'll show you guys how it sounds like here. What the heck? Installed front mount intakes, and that's basically it for the car. The car is basically all done, and it's time to move on to the next project.